Welcome to Science. We are on pages 90 and 91. Go to cutout 4 on page 177. Glue the images in the corresponding boxes and describe the mechanisms of heat transfer. Conduction: the transference of heat between bodies in contact with each other. Convection: this is how heat is transferred in fluids when hotter material rises and cooler materials falls. Radiation: the transference of heat from one body to another through electromagnetic waves and not physical contact. Mechanisms of heat transfer are conduction, characterized by transfer through matter; convection, characterized by transferring liquids and gases; radiation, characterized by wave transfer. What is the difference between heat and temperature? Explain each concept with an example. In a cup of hot milk, the temperature is the average kinetic energy of the particles. Its heat is transferred from the milk to the glass. Look at the following image and answer the question. From which body does the heat flow? The heat flows from the plate and air to the ice. Which body receives heat? The ice receives heat. What happens to the body that receives heat? Its temperature increases because the body with a higher temperature releases heat. When does the heat stop flowing? When bodies reach the same temperature or thermal equilibrium. Can you see heat transfer from one body to another in real life? Explain with using two examples. When a spoon is put in a bowl of hot soup, there is a transfer of heat from the soup to the spoon. When a pot is placed on a stove, there is a transfer of heat from the stove to the pot. What are the mechanisms of heat transfer? Explain them briefly. Conduction, which occurs between two bodies in contact. Convection, which occurs in a gas or liquid. And radiation, which occurs between two bodies not in contact.